Before you even get into the shower, there's at least one of three things that you need to do that's going to help minimize moisture buildup while you're showering and create healthier conditions for preventing mold. Ideally, it's to turn on the max air fan and suck out all that moisture while you're showering. If it's raining, that's not even an option. So I'll either run the heat or the AC, depending on which is more comfortable. Doing any of those three things while you're showering is going to prevent condensation buildup on the mirrors and keep things drier. Immediately after showering, I let the shower curtain hang over the rod like this so that the bottom is not sitting in moisture. Otherwise, mold and mildew can start to grow fast. Once the shower curtain is no longer dripping, I'll let it down to dry with the bottom forward so that it's not sitting in the tub. If we're in a more humid climate like the East Coast, or if it's raining, I'll even pull out my USB chargeable mini fan and aim it directly at the shower curtain to help dry things faster. I had to do that a ton in New Hampshire this summer because it basically never stopped raining. The next thing I do is check to see if any water has dripped onto the floor from maybe not having the shower curtain placement correct, and I clean that immediately. After that, I find squeegeeing to be so important. Not only is it one of the best practices to help keep your shower clean, it helps to dry the shower out by forcing the water down the drain. This squeegee I picked up at a dollar store traveling somewhere across the country. It's a little bigger than I wanted, but it does the trick. You do have to be consistent though, and make sure everyone else in the RV is on board. We've been full-time RVing for about 2 years now, and that's what I have found works best for bathroom mold prevention in our ATC toy hauler.